Welcome to Barbara's Heritage Restaurant. We are here in Intramuros, Manila.
Hello mga gala! Another day?
Another gala!
Ngayong araw, puntahan natin ang isang sikat at prestihiyosong kainan.
Isang kainan na pamana sa atin ng nakaraan.
Kaya maghanda na kayo at sumama. Tara, gala muna tayo! Maaga kaming bumiyahe ngayong araw to avoid traffic at makarating ng maaga.
We arrive at San Agustin Church located inside the historical walled city of Intramuros.
As we all know, ito ang pinakamatandang stone church sa Pilipinas.
Well, this is not the first time na makapasyal kami dito, pero masarap lang talagang balik-balikan. Here are their restaurants. I guess dito shoot, itong place na to mismo nag-shoot sila Tony Gonzaga at Piolo Pascual. I'm not sure kung, I can't remember na yung title ng movie, pero dito yon yung gumanap na ghost si Tony Gonzaga.
Ma-amaze kasi talaga kayo sa ambience ng mga establishments.
Tsaka mai-imagine din ninyo yung mga itsura at mga ganap nung unang panahon.
Sana may time travel machine tayo, no? Ang ganda kaya nun. Makikita natin ang mga kaibigan kong Espanyol.
Anong sasabihin mo?
Eddie, hola mis amigos, ¿tienes comida? Tengo hambre.
Iba talaga ang may dugong Espanyol, pero ang social mo pakinggan dyan na.
Duh, it's just a basic Spanish.
Well, dahil napag-usapan na din ang pagkain, kaya puntahan na natin ang talagang sinadya namin dito.
Dahil inabot na din kami ng ulan.
But it's raining.
It's raining, guys.
Welcome to Barbara's Heritage Restaurant.
Barbara's.
And here we are! It's an iconic Filipino-inspired restaurant na classic 18th century architectural design and vibes.
Meron siyang this old-school charm, kaya popular din ang Barbara's as a tourist destination.
Welcome to Barbara's Heritage Restaurant. We are here in Intramuros, Manila.
Well, it shows naman talaga as you can see. Para kayong nag-transport sa bygone era.
Ang ganda talaga ng rustic elegance appeal niya. Very classy at the same time, homey. They serve buffet lunch and dinner and also may a la carte din. Most of their main entrees ay mga traditional Filipino at Spanish recipes. And I love their papaitan.
Masarap ang mga pagkain nila dito. Flavorful, simpleng tingnan, pero ang sasarap.
At yun yung one thing na importante sa food. Kahit gaano kasimple, basta masarap.
I guess, kaya marami talagang kumakain dito. They know how to appreciate good food.
Huwag niyong palagpasin itong roasted beef nila. It's really tasty and tender. Perfect combination siya with mashed potato.
Kung naghahanap naman kayo ng other dishes, pili lang kayo sa menu list. Meron din silang European-inspired dishes.
Let's start! First stop, and as usual as always, salad muna ang pupuntahan ko.
At dahil gutom na ako, dito naman ako sa kanin at ulam agad. Favorite namin ang paella kaya pasado itong seafood paella nila for us. You should try it as well.
Seafood paella.
Get the shrimp lab.
The mussels?
There.
Shrimp.
Masulit dito guys kasi dami niya.
Then I'll get, I don't know, is this fish fillet?
And many more. I'll get later. Second batch.
Isa din ito sa pinakamasarap na nido soups na natikman namin. First batch.
First batch muna. And later on, we'll get more. Siyempre, buffet ito guys. Kailangan natin sabihin.
What time can it start dito? What time nag-open yung restaurant?
The restaurant open at 11 to 2 for the buffet. And then sa gabi naman 6 to 9.
We're eating now paella.
Inaaralan nila yung mga my birthday. Sayang tapos ng birthday ko. Ayan. So,
While enjoying your first plate, we'll show you the other wing of the restaurant.
Isa din siyang events place kaya in-demand sila sa mga gatherings and special occasions.
Lalo na malapit lang sila sa dalawang famous churches dito sa Intramuros.
Sa ganitong kagandang lugar and setup, marami nga namang magpapareserve sa kanila. Look at the crystal chandeliers and decors na nakakadagdag sa classy ambience.
So, second plate guys. So, the next is yung salad. This is what I have for salad. Sarap. Ang sarap guys. This is avocado shake. So, I ordered avocado because
Favorite mong avocado,
this is my favorite. Season na lang kasi siya, kaya mas higin na ito ng pag-review. Tsaka ang sarap. So, sino yung mga usually nag-ano dito, sir, like kumakain?
The King and Queen of Spain used to visit the place. King Carlo and Queen Sofia. I am the one who served the King and Queen.
Wow.
And then the Princess of Thailand, some politicians, some actor, actress, and businessman who used to visit the place.
Wow.
Celebrity na po pala kayo.
Yes.
Royalty.
May mga celebrity na po ba? Like Pinoy celebrity na
Meron,
pupunta dito?
Talaga? Minsan may mga nagsushooting dito. Yung Kaya Alonso.
No wonder why they know how to provide the art of good service.
Highly commendable ang service nila dito. From the time na pumasok ka sa restaurant until you leave, asikasong-asikaso ka nila. Ayan, every lunchtime meron silang program. They're performing the flamenco dance with the professional flamenco sisters, Miss Isabella and Ann Gomez. We'll give you a glimpse of it.
You'll see na feel nila yung sayaw. Tahimik lahat while watching.
Parang gustong lumabas ang pagka-dancer ko Joke. Aside sa food, ang talagang pinupuntahan ng mga tao at ipinagmamalaki dito sa Barbaras ay yung programs nila and cultural shows sa gabi.
Diyan sila well known because not every day that you could enjoy yung ganitong experience. Kasi bihira or maybe I just don't know kung meron pa bang ibang unique restaurants na katulad nila.
Ang galing! With matching slow-mo pa.
Napansin namin kanina na parang may mga nagpa-perform. Everyday ba sila or weekend?
Yes, the flamenco na napanood nyo kanina, Sabado-Linggo yan, lunchtime. Tapos meron tayong trio na naghaharana. And then sa gabi, mas maganda yung dinner namin. We have a cultural show.
Oh wow, parang mas exciting sa gabi
Huli! Lumalaban pa talaga Third plate. Is that your third plate?
Sir, ano yung pwedeng ma-i-recommend natin or bago sa restaurant?
We are encouraged to visit us here in Intramuros, Manila, Barbaros Heritage. Mag-enjoy kayo sa pagkain namin. We serve Spanish and Filipino dish here.
Saka sulit yung kanina guys, yung buffet. As in, sobrang sarap. Thank you,
Well,
sir.
I guess it's a sign that we'll definitely go back. Ano, sa susunod,
Sabay na kayo sa gala namin!